Okay, we're going to have a quick look at piecewise functions. Now, imagine having to draw this line, okay, y equals x plus 3. It has a y-intercept of 3 and a slope of 1. It looks something like that, okay? But look at this. I want you to draw it for only x is greater than negative 2, which means, if I get my little eraser, where's that? There, okay, so if I just do this as well, I'll do a little open dot. Now then, that is what the graph should look like, okay, the equation, the line. Okay, so I've drawn it only for when x's are greater than negative 2, in other words, this here, okay? Now, if I have to look at this one, y equals x minus 1, for x is greater than 2, then I've got to think to myself, okay, well, here's x is 2, okay? I can only draw it on this side, not on that side, okay? So, greater than 2, okay, that's that dotted line there, the vertical, x minus 1. Now then, the whole point about this is that normally it would go through the y-intercept of negative 1. It does have a slope of positive 1. So in other words, if I was to draw it, it would look like that. But look, again, I can't have this side, okay? So let's have a look. It doesn't have the equal sign, so I'll do an open dot. If it does have an equal sign, like if you just have a look at this one up here, okay, I'd do a solid dot. Okay, so that is question 2. So notice I've got to, in other words, kind of anticipate that it would go through negative 1, okay, but I can't draw it, so just have to be careful with those, okay?